All right, so let's come to jobs. Now, since I have selected jobs, what happens is that you will see the number of jobs. So if you are looking for an entry level category, just click on entry level. If you are looking for intermediate, you can look for that. But what we really want is to come to the categories, all right? And also you can select whether it's fixed or it is by hourly rate, right? You can just select like the range that you are currently looking for, clients history, whether they have history or not. So as you can see, we have thousands of clients, guys. There are so many clients on this place. So you can select whatever you want. Hours per week that you are looking for, the job that you are looking for, what's the duration? Are you looking? So for me, normally my advice is for you to look for more than 30 hours per week. So you can click that. So all jobs that you are looking for would be more than 30 hours per week. Contract to hire, yes, I want that as well. Contract to hire means that the job can translate into a contract, a permanent job. Then let's look into something else. Okay, I have not selected a category. I'm going to select an entry category. So I'm going up. Now I have selected. Now, if you look here on jobs, you can see the categories that I've selected. Those are the categories. You see more than these are the things. So you can even clear this filter if you want. But I want to add something else. I want to add a category. So I'm going to add an admin category here. So what I'm looking for is for administrative jobs, then data entry and transcription services. That's the specialization or the category that I want to show. So I'm going to click on it. Upwork has done all the work for me. So by just selecting this, now I have these jobs. They have selected the job, they are entry level jobs, and also I'm looking for talent. Now, when you are looking for jobs, this is what you look for. The kind of jobs that people are posting on the platform that are within your category. If you are within like entry level, you are going to look for that kind of job, and then you can search for data entry. Then you'll be able to see the data entry jobs. All the jobs that I'm going to show, they will be more than 30 hours per week, and they will be entry level jobs, and they are also marked as contract to hire. So that's the jobs that I'm currently looking. So you can see everything is marked as data entry. So simple typing and retyping documents, job available. So you see the budget there is $500, guys. This is $500. It's a fixed price, entry level. You see, estimated budget is what? $500. So you can apply for this. This job was just posted 18 minutes ago. So you can apply for a job like this. So this is how you search for jobs. So step one, put the job title that you are looking for. Step two, make sure you select the filters that you are looking for, and then you can see the jobs that are currently posted here that are within your niche. Always check how long it has taken when the job has been posted. Look at this. You see that this is 55 minutes ago when this job was made. It's an Excel sheet data typing. You see, Excel sheet data typing. You are paid $115. Fixed price. Is an entry level job. Now, note that what I typed is data entry, but they are showing me all of these other jobs that are related. They are closely related to data entry, right? Because a data entry is under the category of virtual assistants or admin category. Data entry, virtual assistant, they are all under the admin category. So that's why you are seeing them showing me some of these jobs, giving me that suggestion. So if you are an admin assistant, you should be also have some amount of virtual assistant capacity to do some of this work. So this is one way that you actually can see how many jobs that are available within your category. You can see whether whether your category is in high demand. I've spent a lot of time explaining this. So let's move on to my account. So back to my account. So basically, if I'm looking for a data entry job, even though I am not a data entry person or I'm not a data entry clerk, I can still search for a job which is related to data entry. If you've already gotten a job on the platform, you can just create your own filter. For me, I have like these filters, which is product management filter and software development filter. So normally on my feed, you see they share software development jobs to me, but I can look at best match, which also shows me jobs that are project management or product management jobs. All right, GR consultant experts. As I said, this is also a specialization that I can add for myself. I've recently posted. I can come and see all of these other jobs. All right, so now let's go to your profile. The next thing is a profile. The process of creating your account actually helps you to create your profile. It's like the starting point of creating your profile. So this is why I'm showing you your profile. So as you can see, your profile might not have some of this information. For instance, it will not have like the job success. It will not have like a top rated. It will not have all of these statistics. But that does not matter. The important thing that you have to know here is I mentioned something about the title of your job title. All right. So as you can see, my title, my headline is product manager, project manager, agile team lead. All right. This is my specialty. So I have given an headline that is very specific in 3 different domains: project management, product management, and agile team lead, because I don't want to create other specialization. I just wanted to maintain one specialization. All right. And again, the other thing is, don't be tempted to, because you see me put $60 per hour as my rate. If you are a beginner, if you have the kind of experience that I have, of course you can put more than that. You can even put 100 and something dollars. But I've seen people that are freelancers that have not made a dime on the platform putting $200 on as a rate. That is really risky for you to do, because nobody will want to hire you because you don't have any repetition on the platform. Why would somebody hire you? Now, the next thing that I was talking about is bio, right? So for me, my bio data, or what I've written about my bio, is very, it follows a particular systematic way of laying out this information. I've laid out this information in a systematic way. All right. So the first thing is, I created like a short summary. Now here, I actually highlighted some key components, especially feedback that I've gotten that are really standing out. Feedback that's standing out. So I said, as an Upwork top rated plus freelancer, I have served as a team lead for a portfolio of over 40, and I'm not lying. So for the team lead role, if you look at one of my roles that I've as a team lead, this team lead for project managers here. So this is one of the biggest jobs that I've gotten on this platform. So I served as a team lead, and I was managing like over 40 projects. I mean, software development projects. I had like 12 product managers working that I was working with. All right. So, and also I provided like some examples of feedback that I've gotten, so somebody can clearly see my experience. If I can manage up to 40 projects, it means managing one project should not be a problem for me. All right. Then the next thing is, I also tell them, like the client that I've worked with before, I need to update some of this information, but I show them the size of the client that I've worked for before, so they can get an idea of the size, the level of client that I've worked with. So if you don't have client yet, you don't need to put that kind of information. Just say, I am an experienced somebody, I have worked on specific things. The best way you can learn how to create or write your profile is to go and watch the talents. I showed you just now how to look at the profiles of other people. Look at their profile and study it. Once you understand it, then you can come now and create yours. All right. Simple. It's quite easy. So once you go to the talent, look at the talents here. Let's say I am looking for data entry. I'm still going with data entry here. So I'm looking for talents in data entry. Talents. Right? Look at this man. He's kind of charging $4.8 per hour, and he has 97 job success, and he has made $80,000. Can you imagine that? So I'll just take a look at his profile. I can open his profile to see how he has organized his profile. All right. So you can see the way he wrote his profile is very short, like data entry specialist, web research, and so on. He put his name and so on. So you can see all of his skills that he put. So you can study how these people have kind of set up their profile, and then use that and create a method for yourself. I'm not saying you should go and copy that person. You can also go to the next, and so on. Learn from what other people have already done, and then create your own. So you don't need to copy what I've done, because the experience level is different. The next thing that I did on my profile is basically to share my experience, the areas where I have expertise. I don't want a client to come and hire me and misunderstand, thinking that I am a developer. I'm not a developer. I have specific expertise that I know how to do. So I focus on that. I mentioned that. And also, I also tell them what I'm proud of. Like, if I'm working for you, this is what you need to expect, and why you must choose me over others. So this might be like, these are strong words, right? Why you should hire me, why you should take me over others. And also I put that. All right. So you can see also, on the other hand, I added some 2 portfolios, right? 2 projects. This is actually lazy for me. Like, I'm just being lazy here. I have worked on several projects. I have some amazing, even social media platforms that I've built. So I should be adding that. Maybe I need to edit. I need to really add this portfolio. So when it comes to portfolio, basically I've explained everything, and I'm going to add a video that's going to walk you through, because I've gone through it, so I don't want to waste time. So you can see, guys, the whole thing here is, I've explained everything that you need to know, how to, first of all, create your account, optimize it, and make sure you do everything that you need to do to set yourself up for success. So guys, there you have it. Today, we've gone through all the nitty-gritties of how to set yourself for success. I know there is loads of information, and that's why my advice to you is, you don't need to watch too many videos per day. Just watch one, and make sure you dissect some of this information. I've given you loads of information. I've given you loads of tips. because I'm doing it right here. Like this is not something that I want you to see me making some of these mistakes, but pay attention to the key things that you know that are really important to you, and make sure you note them down and learn them. Go and implement what I've said, so that the next time we see, it will be day 3, and then you are prepared for day 3 for what is coming. And I promise you, there is going to be exciting. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.